Okay, so hello all. So today we are going to see how to set up Java and JavaFX and how to execute JavaFX application from command prompt. So first we are going to set up Java. Second, I want to set up JavaFX, and third we are going to execute a JavaFX application from command prompt. So these are things that we are going to see today. So first of all, what are the things that we require? We want to download Java and then the JavaFX, and then we can set up these things. So I'm just going to use my browser. So just a minute. So I'm going to my browser and I'm starting the search JDK download. So my JDK download will lead me to Oracle JDK or Open JDK. So there are two versions of JDK is there. One is Oracle JDK, which is a paid version, and another one is the Open JDK. Open JDK, which is a free version. So first we are going for my Oracle JDK. So download. So select the for which window you are going to choose. For I'm going to choose for Windows. So for Windows you can use an extracted archive file, or you can use my installer or MSI installer. So I'm just going to use my x64 installer. So .exe file. So it will be started. So parallelly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to download my JavaFX. So for that, just click on JavaFX. So till Java 1.11, so JavaFX was a part of my Oracle JDK. But after this, Oracle has taken over my JDK for Java. So this JavaFX become a standalone application, which is an open JavaFX. So which is actually a community driven. So from here I'm going to download. So I'm going to download my JavaFX application. So here select which version. So which version you are going to use. So for example, which version you want, select the version. So for which operating system that you want, select it, and which architecture. So I'm going to use my x64 architecture. Is there anything that you want? Yes, I want an SDK. So I'm going to select the SDK. So that will give you the correct result. So you can select it. So now you can download it. So click on download. It will download you the proper JavaFX application. So just a minute, it's taking time. Okay, so now both my Java and JavaFX has been downloaded. So now I'm going to install it. So I'm just going to open my downloads. So now I'm going to install my JDK. So double click. So it will automatically start the Java installer. So mostly it will install only inside my C program files and Java JDK. So this will be the common path which will be automatically set by Java. If you want to change, you can change it. But best it is suited, so keep the files in the same place. So yes, so Java SE Development Kit 21.1 has been successfully installed. So close. So now after installation, I'm just checking whether my system can understand my Java commands or not. So I'm just opening my command prompt and I'm checking whether my system can able to read my Java C or not. So yes. So once it is done, So I'm checking the version. So Java C hyphen version. So this will give me the which version of Java is going to be installed. So similarly for which version, Java hyphen version, this will give me the proper version. For some systems it will not be recognized. So this Java commands will not be recognized. So for that what we have to do is we have to set the environmental variables. So how can I set that environmental variables? So first go for the path where you have installed my Java application. So that is going to be Java programming files, Java, JDK and bin. So this is where all our commands are there. So like you can see here, so Java, Java C, Java F, Java X, Java P, Java W, all the commands that we are going to execute are inside this bin folder. Just copy that link, go for my computer, right click, go for properties. So from here you can select advanced system settings, advanced system settings. This will open up the system properties window. You can open this environmental variable. From here you can see the system wide variables. This is for local for this user, but it is preferred you can set it for system wide variable. So here you have find out this path variable. So just double click that path where you can find this Java path. So this Java path will be already set. If it is not set, then you can add new and you can paste the bin command here. So bin folder here. So if it is not set, that you can add. Even though if it is set, you can set it, so that won't create a problem. So this is the first step of creating path file. So once it is done, then we have to create one more environmental variable, that is new. So create a variable. So I'm repeating again. So inside my system variable, click on new. You will be popped up with a new system variable. So where you have to type it as Java underscore home. So for creating a Gradle applications or for creating a JavaFX application or for any other Java frameworks will require this Java home variable, system wide variable. So where you have to paste the same path, except you have to remove this bin. That's it. You have to remove bin and you have to give the project directory folder. So once it is done, click on OK. So now the Java home is set. So yes. So we have completed our first step. So now my system can understand my Java commands. You can check. You can go and check with my command prompt. So where I can see my Java version, Java space hyphen version. So this will give me the Java version, and also so you can also check with my so now you can check where is my Java home is there. So echo Java home, it will print the Java home directory folder. So that's it. So we have set our environmental variable for Java and Java home. So now we are going to, so if this works fine, then your Java is set up correctly. So you can run any Java application in your system and you can develop any Java application in your system. So now the second step. We are going to install our JavaFX. So here you can see here a RAR file or a zip file will be there. So just click on it, right click, extract all. Just click on extract all. So this will extract here. So you'll be having this JavaFX SDK 2101 version will be there. So just copy this folder and go for your C drive. Inside programming files you have a Java. So after this JDK you can just paste this. So where I'm going to bring all my JDK and JavaFX files into the same directory and the same folder. So now you have to copy this library file link. So this is where all the libraries for my JavaFX is there. So first you have to copy paste the folder to this correct location and then copy this path. So this location can be anywhere in your system, but it is preferred you can use this as a common area for all the JavaFX applications or Java applications. So just copy this library path and go for your environmental variables, properties, system properties, advanced system settings, and environment variable. So as similar to my Java home, I'm going to create one more variable in system variable where it is going to be JavaFX underscore home, and I'm going to paste this library file. So once it is done, so my JavaFX home has been set to the system wide, so that I can directly access this JavaFX from anywhere. I can directly access this. So now I'm going to check whether JavaFX home is set properly or not. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to my command prompt and I'm just going to print whether JavaFX home is set or not. So JavaFX underscore home. So when I click on this, it will give me the entire project directory folder, that is including library, it will be shown. So that's it. So we have set the Java home and also JavaFX home. So now we are ready to execute our JavaFX application. So for that, I'm going to use the common template which is already there in GitHub. Okay. So just go for my getting started, where you will be having run hello world using JavaFX. So here you will be, so this will guide you for the step-by-step application, how to set up your system variable, how to use this, everything will be there. So I can use this hello JavaFX. So I'm just going to download this file and I'm going to use this file. So just opening this file. So this file, and I'm going to create one folder in documents. So create new folder. So JavaFX underscore project. So inside that project, I'm going to create one more folder. So HelloFX. So inside that HelloFX, I'm going to paste that file, HelloFX.java. So now I'm going to open this command. I'm going to open command prompt on this folder. So command. So this will give me the exact folder where my HelloFX.java is there. So now, as usual, I'm going to compile my application. So for that, javac followed by --, module path followed by the JavaFX home module. So there's going to be JavaFX underscore home and --, add modules. So here I'm going to add my modules. That is going to be JavaFX dot controls, comma JavaFX dot fxml. So after adding the modules, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add my file name. So this is how I can check whether my Java application can able to read it or not. So here it is telling that, so JavaFX.sdk, so here are invalid flag. So the file cannot add, or I cannot access the file directly. So what I'm going to do is, instead of using this JavaFX variable, I'm just going to replace it with the path which I'm directly using. So inside my double quotes, I can give the path as JavaFX path. So I'm just going to open my path. So here inside my C, inside my programming files, inside my Java, inside my Java SDK, inside this library, I'm just going to copy this and I'm just going to paste it here. So inside my double quotes, I have given this modules path. After that, --, add modules. So followed by JavaFX controls, comma JavaFX fxml, and then HelloFX.java. So now, so since it is a Windows environment, it needs a / to have the path variable. So that's it. So because that is the reason it's showing invalid flags. So if I'm giving the path directly, it is going to accept it. So when executing in a application or in an IDE, so this JavaFX home will be useful for us. But right now for in command prompt, it is not accepting. So now I'm just going to see my directory, what are the files are there. So now you can see this HelloFX.class file has been created. So I'm just going to show you here. So inside my documents, I have JavaFX project inside my Hello application. So initially I had only JavaFX.java. Now HelloFX.class has been created. So now I'm going to execute it. So for that, the same command which I'm going to use, instead of using JavaC, I'm going to have, for executing a Java application, I'm going to use Java, and instead of having the .java file, so at last we had added as a HelloFX.java. So instead of that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give the class name. So that's it. So hyphen module path. So path file of my JavaFX library. From that library, I'm going to add the separate modules. So there is going to be hyphen add modules. So from there, I'm going to add this JavaFX.controls and JavaFX.fxml, and then I'm going to execute by HelloFX. So when I click this, so now my FX application is executing. Hooray, we have completed. So this is how we can execute our JavaFX application from our command prompt. So hope this helpful for you to setting up your system. So set up your system. So in our next video, we can see how to execute from an IDE. So thank you all. If you have any doubts, post your comments. Thank you.